In today's video, I create this retro fall striped socks inspired nails with new gel polishes from MADAM GLAM. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see here, I have a new package here from MADAM GLAM. So before we even get into that, if you haven't yet already, okay, we have a spill here. Okay, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. So I have 4 new polishes out of the 8 new gel polishes out of the Harvest Hues collection from MADAM GLAM. As you can see here, they are nice and creamy, per usual with MADAM GLAM gel polishes, and I even have a new top coat. So we're going to go ahead and try these out here on my nails, but before I do that, let's do some swatches here. So the first one here, this is Teal Deal. Look how creamy that is. The next one, which is a popular color this fall, is Stormy Day. The next one I have here is Cozy Blanket. And the last one I have here is Leaf Bliss, which is a no wipe top coat. And it does kind of remind you of leaves, doesn't it? So anyway, this is what it looks like with 2 coats. Of course, with these gel polishes, you can build them up or not. They're pretty opaque, just with one layer. And I also just wanted to show you what it looks like with the top coat in case you decided to purchase some with this new top coat. Yes. So anyway, this is part of the new MADAM GLAM gel polish collection that just dropped today, November 4th. Okay, there's a total of 8 polishes, and the other ones that I did not get this time around, there is a beige color called Traditional. There is a green color called Nature's Gift. There is Fall Serenade, which is like a brownie burgundy color, and then there's Apple Pie. Clearly that's a red, and that's more of a burgundy color. So if you're interested, make sure you check my link down below to check out the full 8 new gel polishes in this collection out of MADAM GLAM, titled Harvest Hues. Yes, it is November, the month of harvest, the month of Thanksgiving. Okay, so what I decided to do this time around was, I was like, well, could I create some with pumpkins? No, I'm not gonna do that. Do I want to create something that reminds me more of Thanksgiving? No. What I decided to do is just create something that reminds you a little bit of the weather. It's November, it gets kind of cold. You break out with the hoodies, the sweaters, the thick socks, thick tights. It may be gloomy and gray outside, and the skies are super dark at night. Okay, so I decided when I did this, I was like, I want to do something with stripes. Well, what can I do with stripes? And then I thought of, them old school striped socks, but make them the cozy socks. They got a little bit of wool in it, they got a little bit more texture in it. And so I decided to use that top coat to create the texture in the socks. And actually, this is a picture on Pinterest that reminded me of these socks. So I'm gonna pop that up. Okay, and while I'm doing that, do y'all notice I'm doing something a little bit different in this particular video? Yes, your girl is trying her hand at acrylic. So we'll get into more of that in another video, but I just want to give you a little taste of what I did. This was my very first time. As you can see, I think I'm doing okay. It's looking a little thick, but hey, I did it. And you know how I am, or if you don't know, those who are new to my channel, I am a newer nail enthusiast, and I decided to, bring those particular videos to this channel. And when it comes to nails, if there's so much you can do, and I'm such a super creative person that I like to try new things, I like to learn new things, and doing my nails is very comforting to me. It is a absolute important piece of my self-care, and so I like to do this. So when it comes to learning new things, I just want to do it. I just want to do it to know that I can do it myself. Let me know down in the comments if you like all fancy nails, or you like more demure nails, or do you just like seeing the art of nails? Let me know if you're learning new things. Let me know if you're learning along with me, okay? So anyway, yeah. As you can see, this is what I'm doing. I'm not really going to get into it too much, but yes, I do start off these nails. These are like a long coffin. You did see with the tips I used, they were actually full cover tips, so I cut them so they could be half cover and I could use them for this. Look at that. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. If you're proud of me too for trying acrylic on my channel for the first time, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone so they know they can do it too. So there goes those 4 colors again, and this particular design is pretty easy, super easy actually. So I'm going in first with the MADAM GLAM Soak Off base coat. Okay, and I'm also going to use the Soak Off No Wipe top coat in this video, and of course also their Cuticle Balm at the end. And look at how beautiful and rich and deep this blue is. Stormy day. This reminds me of a stormy. It does remind me of a stormy day. I live in the Pacific Northwest, and we get a lot of rain and those dark clouds, and yeah, so this is perfect. And this is actually a popular color of the season all around in the nail community. And this next color here, Teal Deal, I thought this was really cute. I didn't have this color here, and yes, you do see it. It's teal, and it reminds me of teal with gray mixed in, which would go along with fall weather perfectly, okay? This next color here, now this is Cozy Blanket, and of course during this season it's time to break out with them cozy, soft, wonderful, warm blankets that hold in the heat that you're trying to keep close to your body while you're in front of a fireplace or watching a favorite movie or whatever. Now this color, when you look at it on the site, it may be a little bit more gray than what I have here, what I noticed. So if you do check it out on MADAM GLAM's site, if you notice it's a little bit more gray, I think that's more closer to the color. My color is a little bit more of a beigey color, but looking at the pictures for this particular new collection looks more gray. Okay, so here I go in with the striping, of course, remind you of striped socks. Let me know down below if you remember the retro, and we call them retro because they came out when I was little. Let me know if you remember those striped socks. Do you have a pair of striped socks? Let me know, okay? Let me know down in the comments. Were you one of the lucky ones to get them striped socks back in the days? I didn't get them. I always wanted some, and I actually want some now. You know how everything comes back right back around, and these younger kids think it's brand new and it's not. Anyway, so yeah, here I am. I want to continue practicing my striping, and so I go in with stripes. So I'm going to be quiet since I've talked a lot of minutes in this video, and let y'all watch, and I'll see you closer to the end.
East Coast. Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's like to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with.
All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's go in with a little bit of this Leaf Bliss No Wipe top coat. This is the only top coat that I use for this particular set. And at first I go in with one coat, and then I decided to go ahead and just really go at it. You know, I live in the Pacific Northwest, and there is a lots of trees, which means there's lots of leaves. So I decided to go in with 2 coats. Now, isn't this pretty? There's so many different colors in it. There's golds, pinks, burgundies, blues, brown. There's so many different colors in it. I thought this was really cute. I could have left this set how it was, but hey, again, I live in the Pacific Northwest where there are plenty of trees and many leaves falling. So this is what I decided to do, and I like to do things a little bit different. So, you know, if you're like me, you like to be a little different and stand out in the crowd, you know, amongst everybody else, give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you check that link down below. That will take you directly into Madam Glam. When you use my link, it does let Madam Glam know I referred you, so I would super appreciate that. I do have a discount code as well. You're welcome to go ahead and use that. Any bit of savings helps at this time. If you're already a VIP, you'll go ahead and get your normal discount. And let me know, what do you think, y'all? What do you think as I go in with the Nourish Me Cuticle Balm from Madam Glam, shining up those cuticles again and nourishing them after everything they've been through. So this is what I created, and I like them. They are different. They do and definitely remind me of retro fall striped socks. All courtesy of Madam Glam's brand new collection, Harvest Hue. This is how they look underneath a flashlight. And then I also show you how they look in the daytime in another environment. this is what we have here. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all, roses. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed month. And other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.